so another full mouth case is coming up with full protections. Zirconia mono, the upper separation. So this complex case is from the design, but not only designs, we have to really considering about the bite records. Actually, doctor gave us a lot of bite records. And doctor have to try in the lower and upper. They always challenge, so they have to make the good temporizations. And the second, whenever they make temporizations, they have to make the separate in half section, touching the bite with the abutment. And the same thing, the without the bridge, take the bite with anterior 6 unit, just a posterior only. Same thing, the other segment, take it out, take the bite with the bridge in. So 3 segments, I don't mind, they can take the centric bite together. Anyway, so all our effort was fabricating the lower of the design and to make the occlusion guide was really high. The vocal side, patient did not decide it upper at that moment. So we changed everything, the concept from here to make this good aesthetics. And then we try to give to them the old zirconia with a restoration, which is roughly designed, and they put it in the Thai-based cement together. So finally, doctor gave us really good bites, and so we're using the good bite registrations and utilize it good mounting together. Now we finish it with the design and check the occlusion horizontals, curve of Spear and Wilson, and along with that one we finish the upper here, and then we get the good centric bite. So that is a great starting, and not only that, we utilize it a little bit more the contouring, just cut it back the facial a little bit, but this is a mono, here's a mono, and slightly here's overlap we need it, so in case I made another single crown as well, just overhanging, and then because I don't want to show them to the ottoman. So that one is good guidance before we go to the finals. So this one will be the great layering and luster techniques is along with the all protections. So stay tuned from all this. Okay, so it's not engaging, we just cut it back. So trying to make 3 unit bridge because space wise underneath is an issue. Okay, so this is what it look like. One cantilever. Here is another the bridge. And here's another single as well. So all combination cases, just finish it. Right now designing about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 complex angulate channel number 7. So we basically have to add with the mono concept, but we're going to cover after we finish it. This proper contour, the vocal corridor, canine guidance, vocal incisor length. Okay, this one we're going to change later because I have to make custom button only, right? Only custom button. The other one is Thai base. Occlusion view. Okay, so now whenever we see occlusion, I want marginal ridge here. Thicker, 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 thicker. I want more bigger marginal ridge, almost lingual contour. Here too, here too. So then we can bring in the facial. I mean marginal ridge in between the embrasure areas, make thicker. Correct. But to me, the incisor edge is really thick, so we have to deal with it. Just a little bit, cut it more. Now it's lower teeth. We're going to grinding because hybrid. Then we can finish at the same time. Right. 8 and 9 too. Here's the problem, like you said. Show me the angulate channel. Here's a dilemma. We have to cover here, so we have to make the ridge lab, and that one engage with the other side. The other side as well. Yeah, that one we have to cover it. So we'll send it out to biscuit bag. We always cut it. Make the same size and slightly different shape, so we can cover with a layer. Right now, occlusion, we have to modify the occlusion, and also see, so we have to cut it here a little bit. Add here more thicker. 4 unit bridge, and then make the more marginal ridge is more thicker. Okay, we're going to finish them up. Okay, this is the about 4 months planning. It's made this the lower Citon 1000 cases aesthetically. We just finish it as much as possible here, but at the moment we don't have any correct occlusion, so we fabricate this previously, and then unfortunately I have to remake it again because of the occlusion. So once I grind it, and then I mark off for all implant cases, and then we also sent it out to all implant, and then we pre-designing. You saw our design, and then we sent to the doctors, because we put another extra time, because especially this is, instead of the 5 units, we fabricate 3 units much better at the same time here to match the bulker aspect as well. And after took us a lot of a bite, which is cross bite, section it as I mentioned earlier, and then we mounting together, so we fabricate it as fundamental the aesthetics cases with it's almost no pinks down there. So we make the screw retain, the 4 unit, a single, the 4 unit, and 3 unit as well. This is we made the non-engaging because the doctor had a hard time, so we cleaned it before they try in. So this is uppers, finals, maxillary, highest aesthetics, and also we built this lower already, and this is the finals aesthetic as well. So you see the all full mouth is just kind of this beautiful, and it's better than diamond crown and full mouth restorations. It just got, we just finished its final delivery. Not only surface texture and deep translucency, and create a halo and detailed tissue design, and the final finish the full mouth cases. So this is final. So we're going to send it out to Washington State. Thanks for watching my video.